Okay, next we're going to do a query using terms and, or, and not. Now you can use these three logical operators in addition to the ones I've shown you previously, the more than, less than. You can use and, or, and not to search for more than one data type or to exclude data completely. So I'll start by building a new query again. And you'll be familiar with that by now. Now the first thing I'm going to do is search for CDs that aren't from the year 2007. So over in year released year, I type in not 2007, and if I run that, you'll see now that 2007 has been excluded from the results. So that's how not works. Now next, I'm going to look at excluding more than 1 year. Now what I'm going to use here is a conjunction of not and together. So the first thing I do is not 2007, and next, make that a little bit bigger so you can see, and not 2008. If I run that, you'll see that 2007 and 2008 now have been excluded. Now, I know some of my students have found that tricky. They tried to put in not 2007, not 2008. That won't work. You've got to link the two with an and there. Okay. Now, on from there, I'm going to use or. Now, what I'm going to use or for is to look for two CD prices. Now, I'll contrast the use of or and here, and where my students tend to go wrong here. First of all, I'll try $10.99 and $9.99 in an attempt to find CDs of value $10.99 and $9.99. Now I put that in the wrong field, so I better move that. So I'll just cut that out, go to price and paste it in again. So $10.99 and $9.99. So I'll run that, and you'll see nothing's come back, because of course it's impossible for a CD to cost $10.99 and $9.99. It's one or the other. So I need to use or here. So if you ever find that queries are letting you down, you're probably using the wrong operator. So $10.99 or $9.99. I'll run that now, and you'll see that now $10.99 and $9.99 have been selected. So there's a fundamental difference between and or, and it's a good one to remember when you're designing these queries. So finally, I'll just close that down now. Save changes, yes. Query, let's call it something silly for now, and or not, and go to OK. And that's a really simple explanation of how to use and or not. It's not the full story by a long shot, and I suggest you experiment with them, trying different types. That's how I learned at the end of the day. And that's it.